This is the Camtronics 5-axis control box running an unmodified G540 plus an additional driver that together with the G540 can run 5 3.5 amp motors. The front panel has a lighted on-off switch, an e-stop switch that cuts power to the steppers and to the receptacle on the back panel for auxiliary devices. The bottom switch is an engage-disengage switch. It allows the user to shut off power to the stepper motors without shutting off power to the G540 and the power supply. This is handy for manual movements of the stepper motors. The rear panel has an AC fused power entry module, a cooling fan with grill, the G540, and a 9-pin connector for use with the 5th axis. This connector can be used with any motor or cable that has a current setting resistor. Last is a receptacle for any auxiliary device that needs up to 700 watts of AC power. A proprietary adapter is connected to the unit so that a single parallel port is used to provide step and direction signals to the 5-axis. Last, there's a cutout so that the 4 input devices and a VFD can be connected to the G540. We are using the latest version of Mach 3 with a 6-axis screen set. The system will come with all cables and a config file as well as the 6-axis screen set. Here is a demo of the control unit running an old 1998 heavily modified mill drill. The XY axis have been modified and are running 0 backlash ball screws. The motors are 465 ounce-inch direct drive. They could run those axes at speeds of up to 150 inches per minute in rapid. The Z-axis has a ball screw driven quill using a 270 ounce-inch stepper motor with a 2-to-1 ratio timing belt to a rotating ball nut. The 4th and 5th axis are those cheap Chinese 4th, 5th axis, and I don't recommend it even though I'm showing this one. I plan to modify it heavily. Let's watch the 5-axis run. I'm going to move the camera over so you can see it better. Move this out of the way. What it's doing is it's engraving lettering. I'm not using the right tool for it, but it's all I got right now. That's engraving the letters CNC. Notice how the Z-axis, the B-axis, and the C-axis, the X-axis, and the B-axis are all moving simultaneously. I'll move the camera again so you can see a better view of the engraving. now this is a view of the system at the end. And thank you for watching.